Okay, so we put the rear of the car in the air, chalked the front wheels, and so the way that I did this is I lifted here since I have a subframe connector that makes it real nice, and then I actually put my jack stands on the rear of the subframe connector. If you don't have a subframe connector, then the jack stands need to go right there on that torque box, and you just want them even, both sides, and even leave the jack under here as an extra precaution. We just want to get the back of the car up and solid on the mounts here.
Now on the Cobra with independent rear suspension, the ABS sensors are located right up against the differential. You'll see a reluctor ring, and you'll see it in the video, but this just kind of shows you where that is. And it's a very similar process on the solid rear axle cars. The only difference is the sensor and reluctor wheel are located towards the very end of the axle shaft, just on the other side of the brake. And I have a video for that one as well. I can put it in the description. If you watch this video, you'll most likely be able to do both of them.
Okay, so now we're going to go after our ABS sensors, which are those right there. And so it's just that T40 is the size, it's a Torx. And we're just going to undo that bottom bolt here, and it'll slide right off. So here's what it looks like. So you can see it's a Torx multiple point. Okay, so that T40, we removed that bolt. Now we can move the whole ABS sensor off of the differential and let it just hang up in there. And then there's just one on the other side, same thing, just remove that one as well. And so to remove those sensors, just so you know, I used an extension here just to get in there. And just make sure you have a real good bite on it so you don't strip it.
So the way that the ABS system works is the sensor, where it's the rectangular part, is magnetic, and it's measuring every time there's a hill and a trough on that ABS ring, which is mounted to the axle half shaft. And so it's going to sense if it's stopped, and then it would know to disengage the brakes, that kind of thing. So the problem is, since it's magnetic, it will attract a lot of road grime, metal shavings, anything that's metal will be attracted to it. So you can take it off as shown in this video and clean it. Just make sure that it's super clean when you're done. If you're getting an ABS light, it could simply just be a dirty sensor, or even could be the sensor's not on straight and it's not getting a good measurement on that reluctor wheel with the teeth. Anyway, thanks for watching.